Welcome to Amateur Investing. Have you ever been hanging out with friends and they said, man, it smells like BOFA in here, and you didn't know what they mean? Well, turns out they were talking about investing. But before we get into that, I need you to smash that like button. I need you to obliterate that like button, destroy it! Hey, thanks for liking this video. Since you liked it so much, can you also subscribe? Less than 10% of my views are from subscribers. What the heck is that about, bruh? Anyways, what is the BOFA method? B-O-F-A. It's a 4-step, simple, foolproof process of how to make money consistently on the stock market. Step 1 is B, buy a position. Now, ideally, the stock that you buy is one that's primed to go up. To find a stock that's primed to go up, you want to look for 3 things. First, you want the long-term trend to be generally upwards. Second, you want it to have recently hit a short-term low. And third, you want it to be a stock that you like. That's because if it ends up going down, you won't mind holding it. Alright, step 2 is O, order a position. Ideally, you're going to want to do a limit sell order. That's so you can just sort of set it and forget it. With a limit sell, you have a price point. When the stock goes above that price point, it will sell automatically. As far as I'm aware, you can't do this with slices or options, but I could be wrong. I haven't used every brokerage. I don't know. I'm pretty sure you need to have whole shares to do this though. So if you are using slices or options, you're gonna have to set an alert instead and just sell it manually. So for the best bet and the safest play, you're going to want to set this limit position for under the all-time high. If possible, under a somewhat recent high, but above your current buy-in position. That way your sell point is realistic, but it's also profitable. Step 3 is forget about it. Leave it alone. Don't look at it. Don't check the stocks every second of every day. That's going to drive you crazy. That's what's so great about this. You pick a stock you like, you pick a price point, you set it and forget it. Step 4 is A, achieve. Congratulations! You hit your limit! You made money! That's better than 90% of people who play the stock market. That is the BOFA method. So next time your friend says, man, it smells like BOFA in here, you look them in the eyes and you say, yeah, both of these stacks of cash. Both of these nuts. What? So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think down below and have a good one. See ya!